When times get rough and your dreams just fall apart, and sometimes you feel you can't go on. Be strong, hold on, for my love will keep you warm through the coldest night, through the rain, through the storm. When your friends turning back on you and you're so helpless, don't know what to do, I'll be on your to comfort you. My love will see you through. In thirst and in your eyes, and you feel you wanna cry, just reach out and I'll be around to understand. When you stumble and fall, and you need a shoulder to lean on, all you have to do is call, and I'll be there with a helping hand. When the road seems so long and endless, and all you see is nothing but darkness, don't give up, just walk on, have faith in you. For my love will see you through. When you cross the deep sea, when you climb the highest hill, my love will always be with you.